So we've done the R and the D, the read and the delete of CRUD. Time to do the create, I think. So I'm just going to add a link into that sort of main index page, which will go to phone add, not .html. It's just going to be to the route. In fact, need the slash in front, I think. So a phone add and add a phone. Got there in the end, right? That's the link to it. So this is the phone add, and it's going to be a very simple little form. So let's just add this in. Form, and it's very sensible to the method in at this point. I always do get post consistently uppercase everywhere. Just seems to cause less problems that way. So form method equals post, and it's only going to have two fields. It's going to have an input, which is going to be a text field, and it's going to have the name equal to phone name. That works. And a submit button. Input type equals submit, and yeah, that'll do. So that's the form. Save that. Now if I go over here and let's do a route to do it, it's probably going to have most to do with this one here, so I'm just going to copy and paste the whole thing, and then of course get into edit mode. So it's going to be phone add. Did I say? What was the name? What was the link I put in? Phone view. It's going to be phone add. Yeah, phone add. And methods get and post. Yep, there's a form, and make this phone add as well. So the ID won't be coming from the arguments. Right, so we've got a whole thing to think about now. We've got two things that could happen here. Either the form hasn't been submitted, in which case we need to display the form, or the form has been submitted, in which case we need to process it. So normally that looks like if request dot method equals post, that means the form has been submitted, and that's when we do all of this processing. We're going to change this to an insert in a minute, and else we can just do a render template of the thing we just made, which was phone add.html. Okay, so it's important to set that up straight away. So the things that we need, so we need to go and get the name of the phone. So let's go phone name equals request dot form, and it was phone name, so that's the name of the field, and over in here phone add, yeah, that's that phone name there, is this request.form phone name here. So I am going to change this completely. So insert into phones and the names of the fields, which is only one field because the ID is an auto increment, so we can't enter the value in that even if we wanted to. And so one field, and the values is going to be parameterized thus. And the vals equals phone name, and cursor.execute, cursor.commit, we return redirect. There's a chance that'll work. Let's give it a shot, shall we? So if I go add a phone and submit a nice new Samsung S10, I don't know, whatever. of Samsung S10. Worked a treat. So the next video will be about creating an edit one, which is just really a adaptation of that add one.